Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Lenovo GM2 PRO. So let's get started. If you long press for at least 2 seconds on your left earbud, you will call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call a Siri, and if you have Android, you call a Google Assistant. So I'm just press and hold. And I'm just call a Siri. If you press and hold on your right earbud, you will enable game mode. So I'm just press and hold, you will hear a voice prompt, it means that you enter to prank mode. And if you again press and hold, you will swap to music mode. Now, you can increase volume and lower the volume. If you press one time on your right earbud, you will increase the volume. So I'm just tap one time and I increase the volume. And if you tap on your left earbud, you will lower the volume. So as you can see, I just lower the volume. Now, if you press 3 times on your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. I guess I should do it better. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and I just play next track. And if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it should work. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and I just play previous track. And the last one, if you double tap on your left one or right one earbud, you will play and pause the song. 1, 2. And I just pause the song. 1, 2. And I just play a song. And the last one, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. So just do 2 times and you will answer the call. And after that you can finish a call by pressing 2 times on your right or left earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!